In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Tradingview not working problem. We'll walk through reliable fixes for the desktop app, the web version, and the mobile app, plus a couple of common checks that save a lot of time. If you use the desktop app, start by making sure it's up to date. Open the menu with the three dots, go to Settings, then About, and confirm you are on the latest version. Updates often patch crashes, chart glitches, and login loops. If the app still feels sluggish or something won't load, clear its cache. From the same three-dot menu, open Settings, choose Service, and select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can corrupt over time. If performance issues persist or layouts act strangely, use Back to Defaults in the Service section. Has resets preferences and layouts, so consider noting your key settings first. On Windows, you can also go to the System Settings, open Apps, find Tradingview, and use advanced options to repair or reset the app. Repair keeps your data. Reset is more thorough if repair doesn't help. For issues in a web browser or on a chart tab, start by clearing your browser's cache and cookies. A stale cache is a common reason charts won't update or pages half-load. If a tab keeps crashing, reduce the number of indicators and open charts. Heavy layouts can exhaust memory. Next, check your internet connection and temporarily disable VPN's strict firewalls or ad blockers that might block Tradingview's WebSockets. If charts render incorrectly or flicker, update your graphics drivers through your device manufacturer or GPU software. Then restart the browser. On mobile, make sure the rendering components are current. On Android, update Android System WebView and your default browser from the Play Store, as outdated WebView can break chart display. Then fully close and reopen the Tradingview app to refresh the session. On iOS, keep your browser and the app up to date from the App Store, and relaunch the app if it freezes. A couple of common checks can prevent unnecessary troubleshooting. Confirm your login details are correct and look for any verification email that might be required before access is restored. If everything looks right on your end but Tradingview still won't load, check a status website like Down Detector to see if here is a broader outage. If others are reporting problems, waiting it out is often the fastest solution. Follow these steps in order, and you should have Tradingview running smoothly again. Thanks for watching and good luck getting back to your charts.